How often do you see your friends? Like, especially if you have children, how often do you see your friends? If you have kids, if you're like me, not very often. I see my friends, good friends, friends I grew up with, friends I hung out with every day during high school and college years and so on. I see them maybe 4 times a year, 5 times a year, sometimes less, some people once a year. Sometimes I haven't seen for a few years. But I work out 4 times a week. So I have like my coach, I have my training partners that I see twice a week, every single week, sometimes 3 times a week, 4 times a week. These people that I barely know, and now I know them a little bit better, but basically I see random strangers more often than I see my dear friends. The hell, man? So what can you do about it? So here's a clever move that I learned from my friend Noah Kagan, is you combine the two. Combine exercise with seeing friends. So you need to take care of your body, you need to work out. It's also hard to make time or difficult to make time for exercise. So what you do is, like, instead of having like beer dates with your friends, why not just go meet up for lunch? But you don't go to eat, but you go exercise. You go for a jog together. You go to the gym and ride those electrical bikes. You can still talk. Maybe you go lift weights together. Something where you work out and you talk together, and then you can do that as a regular thing. Like every Monday, like noon, I'm meeting up with my buddy Ben, and we lift weights together every Monday. It's on the calendar. Or maybe you do that with your business partners. It's also great to do for business meetings. So instead of having business lunches and business dinners, have business walks. It's hard for us to make time for to be active and walk around. So why not just have a business meeting where you walk around the block, walk around the city while you discuss whatever business stuff. So it's like you meet people and you exercise. It doesn't have to be intense, but it can be. So that's a clever way to just make more time for exercise and seeing friends.